I spent $40 on organic cold-pressed treats just for him to decide.
For everybody. Who wants to go to the Four Seasons Orlando?
Me.
What in the world are y'all doing in the tree?
Dog is currently buffering while the cats try to figure out if it is a feature or a bug. Me and the boys acting tough when there is a literal wall between us versus us the second we have to handle our own problem. I told my cat it was time to talk about the bills and he literally silenced me.
Oh my.
He is not a... You open a fresh bag of treats and suddenly realize you are outnumbered. Would you like me to try writing? Trying to calculate how many more treats you can extort from the humans before... Toaster really said surprise and my cat decided his 9 lives were better spent literally.
Так хочется ее укусить. Оп, оп.
Exact moment he realized that his engineering degree from YouTube University didn't cover... Your reflection is the only one in the house who matches your level of chaos. The textbook says it is open book, but you forgot how to read. Exact moment he realized his human is actually just a giant, premium-grade scratching post with 0 self-defense skills. 1 minute it is cuddles, the next it is a full-blown tactical takedown. I am not saying I should call for help, but if I do not post again in 20 minutes, the orange cat has officially won the war.
Кто так сладенько обнимается? Эй, кто вот такой? Доброе утро пришел сказать.
You realize the floor is actually a giant piece of paper and you have no pen. The beat drops, but you are also a Victorian-era ghost trying to possess a sofa.
Clear.
You accidentally open a bag of chips and the whole squad suddenly appears out of thin air.
What are you doing?
Your social battery is at 0, but you accidentally make eye contact with that one coworker in public and have to initiate emergency camouflage mode. to see what the neighbors are doing, but you also want to destroy the window treatments. One second you are admiring the decor and the next you are waking up in a whale-themed nursery wondering what... You were trying to be a fierce predator, but you accidentally sat down and turned into a pair of...
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit!
You have zero upper body strength but 100% commitment to the snacks. Would you like me to...
Oh my god!
Your cat masters the art of the guilt trip before he even drops the ball. He really said, I am once again asking for your athletic support.
Sissy, come in your plate.
When I find a cloud that actually lets me touch it. Catching feelings is out, catching steam is in. My therapist said I needed to clear the air. You told him you were going to the park, but the car pulls into the... Testing 1, 2, 3. Is this thing on, or are we just here for the purrs? This interview is going nowhere. Just...
Huh?
You spend 20 minutes psyching yourself up for a fight, but one look from the cat has you reconsidering every life choice you have ever made.
Look at this. We're flying together. Hi, buddy. Can I pet you? Oh my gosh, it's so soft.
You like in real life, but your cat still manages to glitch through the floor. Understood the assignment, failed the Human thinks I am crying over the onions, but I am actually just judging their lack of knife skills from the top of the fridge. Finally find that one itchy spot, but your own tail keeps getting in.
Huh?
You want to argue, but your rhythm is just too good to stop dancing. Realize the void isn't staring back, it's actually multiplying and it wants to speak to
Huh?
The main event is so intense even the spectators start throwing hands. puts the food on a paper towel, but you have the hand-eye coordination of a potato. You realize that being Santa's little helper is actually a full-time job, and you are already 5 minutes. You're a Yorkie, but your soul is 100% farm tractor. This is what happens when you tell your dog to go find some buried treasure and he actually takes you literally. Forget the gardening gloves, I just hired a 4-legged excavator who works for treats and belly.
No.
The absolute audacity of this cat to try and throw hands when the dog is literally carrying a zebra twice its size. One is playing fetch, the other is choosing violence. It is a full-scale feline investigation into why the golden one has all the toys. You hit that one high note in the shower and suddenly realize you are the Whitney Houston of huskies. The moment you realize that even a baby elephant has a better follow-through than your golf swing. Fishing for cats is the only sport where the bait is a bush and the prize is a very confused loaf of bread.
Come on.